Assalamu alaikum pretty viewers. Smart Fantasy is back again with this new video. In this video we are going to talk about that how we can install Virtualbox in Windows. So it's real simple and convenient. Just follow the steps. First you need to open any browser which you have in your PC or laptop. So we'll open Firefox. Once you just open that, here you have to just search for Virtualbox and then just click enter. Here you can see the official site of Oracle VM Virtualbox has been opened, so you have to just click on the first one, and once you click that, it will open a new window. Here you can see, and then you just need to click on this downloads. Here you can see about screenshot in downloads. I will click on downloads, and now you have to, here you can see Virtualbox 6.14 platform package. So you have to just click on this window host because it has 4 distributions for different operating systems like OS, Linux and Solaris and Windows. So we have to just click on Windows, and here you can see the save option has been given, so we'll save the file. See, it's the file of 108 MB file, so it will take some time. Till that, I will pause the video. When it will get complete, then I will resume. Yeah, as you can see, it's about to complete, and now as you can see, it has been completed. So we'll just open the folder. Just keep remember one thing in your mind, that you are going to download from its official site. Link also I will provide in the description. So now we are going to click on it. Just double click on this Virtualbox to install this application. As you can see, Windows installer is going to install. Click on next and just next. There is no need to make a changes, just next. And here the warning is given that, for example, if you are connected to any Wi-Fi, it will disconnect once. So you have to just click on yes and install. Now it's about to install this. Just click on yes. And guys, keep remember one thing, that you are going to download this latest version of Virtualbox 6.1.4. because the previous one was 6.1.2, but now it has been upgraded. You have to just keep patch this before it gets installed. Now the installation has been completed. Now you have to just click on finish to launch this application. Minimize this window and this one as well. Here you can see Virtualbox has been installed. Now we have to just open it. As you can see, it's Virtualbox, and just come to help to check its latest version. Here you can see 6.1, that means it is the latest version. So guys, in this way you can install Virtualbox, and in next video inshallah I will tell you that how to install Kali Linux in Virtualbox. So if you are having any question or facing any kind of troubles or challenges while installing Virtualbox, so please feel free to leave a comment, and I'll be watching and responding your comment. So till next video, take care. Allah Hafiz.